Hey yo YouTubers, welcome back to another tutorial. It's your boy Tech Hobbyist, and today we are going to be looking at how to build a simple web service in Java with a jax-rs framework. I'll be using the latest Eclipse IDE for this project, which is Eclipse 2018-12, and I'll also be using the Apache Tomcat server for this project. If you don't have a server such as Apache Tomcat or Wildfly configured in your IDE, don't worry, I'll be creating another video to configure a server in your IDE. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is my Eclipse IDE, which is already open. First thing you have to do is to click on File, New, Navy Project. So let me just uncheck this. You just need to have this checked. You need to store it in your default workspace location. So click on Next, and then you search for jax-rs Quick Start Web App. So it is gonna search through the internet to give me this archetype. If you don't get this archetype showing, you just need to go to Configure and then Add Remote Catalog. So for the add remote catalog, you just copy and paste this URL here. You paste it here and then name it remote catalogs. Then after that you press OK and then save it. I already have mine here, so I already need to do that anymore. So Eclipse is retrieving my archetype for jax-rs Quick Start Web App. It can take a while sometimes depending on your internet connection. So I think I'll just pause this video for now. When it gets back, I'll just continue on the video. Okay, so I've got the archetypes here now. So we're gonna be picking this one that has the group ID of org.glassfish, and you click on Next. Then we have our group ID, artifact ID, package. So the group ID is more of like a package name, like how you have your website dot something, or your company name. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using com.techhobbyist, and the artifact ID is more of the project name, or the name of the project. So I'm just gonna name it my first Java web service. Okay, I'll just change this to be lowercase. I don't like the uppercase here, so let me just take this out. My first Java web service. Then you click on Finish. So it's creating my project for me. Once it's done, I should be ready to go. I should be good to go. So now let's check our console to see why we have some errors showing up. Let's go to markers. So right now, the complaining of this error, they are saying the superclass Java X servlet HTTP servlet was not found in the Java build path. So we need to add this to our POM file. We need to add this as a dependency in our POM file. And then they're also complaining of something else, which is jax-rs REST web service 2.1 cannot be installed. It requires 1.8 or newer. So according to what we have in our POM file, according to what we have in our POM file, the source is supposed to be 1.8 and not 1.7, so we're just going to change that to 1.8, and then we're going to add the dependency for the Java X servlet, so we clear all errors from our project. So done. I just added this. So now save it. Once you save it, you might still see some errors. Okay, the errors are still showing. So I just have to click on right click on my project, go to Maven, and then update project. So okay, I'm updating my Maven. Ta-da! You can see that the errors are now all gone. So this is basically it for creating your web service. You go to source main/java, you go to the main package, and you already have a method here, which is get it. So let's just run our web project and see what happens. Run on server. So you need to already have a server configured. I have Tomcat server already configured for this project, so I'll select that, click on finish. So you can see that your web service is up and live. If I just go to a browser, I'll actually find it, or should I say Postman. I can type the URL here. Since it's a GET request, like what we see here, it's a GET request. So I can just type in my Postman, fire the request, and still get a response. The URL here is /myresource. So my Java web service /myresource. Okay, I think I'm getting something wrong here. In order to find the full part of your project, you head over to source main web app, webinf, and then click on the web app, the web.xml file. In order to call your URL part, you need to follow this. So /web API /myresource. So let's just look at that. /my web API /myresource. So you can now see that the GET request is right here. So this is the first video on how to create a simple web service in Java using the jax framework. I'm going to create another video that shows how to make database calls using the Hibernate query language to make requests to the database and then retrieve information from the database. So thanks for this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys later. Catch you guys later. All right, bye bye.